In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your YouTube watch history. Let's get started. First, sign in to your YouTube account and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear. From the list of options, click on Your Data in YouTube. This will open your YouTube data page. Now take a moment to scroll down until you find the YouTube Watch History section. When you see it, click on it to open the settings. Next, look for the YouTube History Turn Off button. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up window will appear on your screen. To continue, click the Pause button. And that's it. Your YouTube watch history has now been turned off. From this point forward, the videos you watch will no longer be saved to your watch history until you choose to turn it back on. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.